whanau I te iwi me ngā tō hoki, Te Ra no. We're back here in Waitangi on the upper grounds, and it's Te Ra Tua Toru. We're back at it again with the Chasing Kaupapa, so Shaded Whakaahua, and we're going to spend the majority of our time up here on the upper grounds because it's government porphyry. We just missed Tamati, but the government's about to be walked in on, so all people going crazy now, man. So whanau, I'll be around block, upper grounds, lower grounds, getting more kōrero from the beautiful atua and Mareikura around here today. It's so beautiful, but the energy here is different, man. I'm not gonna lie, my whanau. Anyway, let's go check it out. what about that pōwhiri, Nev?
Tahi.
It was straight tough, man, straight shifted. I know that when we got here, you could feel the mauri of all the beautiful atua here, all the beautiful Māori people here, eh? It was just really piki te ora, everybody was here. And then as soon as that happened, like, wow, you just run it out, man. Like, I got goosebumps, no cap. When Luxon went in, then the Winnie went in, then when he went in, man, you just felt every Māori go, like it was just really...
I got goosebumps.
Yeah, man. So much mana in this area. Anyway.
But they racked it up for Seymour when he came on, eh?
Like, that's what I mean. I was just like, the rest, they were like, oh, you're Lux and Winnie, but Seymour. Anyway, we just went inside and had a beautiful kōrero going on in there. As we come to get some air, I saw a drone going on. Got told you weren't allowed. As soon as I saw that, I'm gonna go get some shots, man. Anyway, before I take out the shots, baby, whakaaro on your day here on the Waitangi since you missed the first two.
There's some really beautiful people here. Everyone's been really nice.
So many beautiful, creative atua out here. I just met a tangata out there, a photographer. Beautiful, man.
And it's so awesome to see everyone come together like this. I haven't been to a Waitangi Day before. This is my first one.
And your whakaaro to people that haven't been.
You need to be here to feel it, to feel
The we,
feel the
mana, to feel it all whanau.
It's awesome.
It is, eh? This is your first time too, eh?
Yeah.
So what's your whakaaro to people that have never been for somebody on their first time, you know?
Just come in and with an open mind.
Yeah, come with an open mind. That's the one. That's me. See, my whanau, man. Beautiful. You know? Atua, baby. But yeah, I'm gonna go get in the air. Come and check out the shop. In the car park here, we're gonna go stop and get a little kai real quick. But yeah, that just turned real ugly real quick, eh? Like even after Winnie's kōrero, man. Dude reckons, yeah, I'll make this quick because we ain't even wanna be here, pretty much. You might as well have said that. It's gonna make this quick because we got somewhere else to be. So to me, they've already made the decision. They've already got their minds made up. They just showed face. And then the whole energy just shifted. Then when Seymour spoke, this dude just went and disrespected everyone, man. All the beautiful energy that we had for the last couple of days, it just kind of diminished up there. And it just, but this is what I mean, my Shaded Atua. You can't let people dictate you. You gotta be in control. Oh, look at that! Just blurred out a bit. Sorry, there my shade of partner. You can't let people dictate you because you gotta be in control of yourself. Don't react on everything, you know. There was so much reaction. Just keep feeding your wairu on my Shaded Atua. We're gonna go feed our puku because it's hot. We hungry. See you down in the lower grounds when we come back. Yo, my Shaded Atua. So we're back again. Back on the Waitangi treaty grounds. We just had a sakai and yeah, baby's gonna have a rest. Me and Nif's going down to the bottom grounds because we've noticed when you go down to the bottom grounds, the vibrations are higher, right? Because man, no cap, up the top there this morning, beautiful experience. The mauri was mean. We felt it. You all saw that. But as soon as that whole thing shifted, I honestly wish I caught the kōrero from Seymour, Winnie and Luxon and all that because, hang on, the Luxon kōrero?
No, he chose not to.
Yeah, I don't know if he caught, we ended up departing a little bit earlier, but then it finished, so he may have, but after Seymour, man, I was like, I can't stand, like, even if it shows it on however it portrays it on the news, Because that's why I wish I caught it, because you know how manipulation, man, media can manipulate. I know that. I don't really manipulate anything. All I kind of do is just edit the bits where it's like a or that bit and just kind of link it up. But they can really manipulate it to make it look like we didn't let them say anything. That's what I mean. It was so crazy, man. It didn't affect us. Oh well, it kind of did. We just piki te ora had to, you know, whakatau, have a kai. You had to replenish the Wairua, get out of their space. But you know, now that you know, so you can think clearly too about the situation. So many confusion here, even division, you know, these the lower grounds, upper grounds. It's like we've got to start with our people first, dude. And I understand why they talk about like otahitanga, like truly, you know. But anyway, man, enough of all that, because that's just bringing the Maori down. It's all about piki te ora and showing all the beautiful atua and the gifted Kaitiaki that we all are, you know what I mean? So let's go back down to the lower grounds and pick their vibration up. Check it out. Check out this beautiful Mareikura. Oh, already down on the lower grounds and feeling the higher vibrations. Music is playing. It's pumping down here. My Wairua was already feeling replenished. Let's go with our people whanau. Our beautiful, beautiful gifted atua, Mareikura, that are among these grounds here. Let's go join our people. Kia ora, is the beautiful atua that we met here in Kaupapa, tēnā koe matu. Hey, Matua, did you watch the today?
Kaore, bro, because we're busy as on
Yeah,
this
no,
side, bro.
busy's good. If you don't know whanau, let them know about the brand.
So we just, for our kaupapa, we sell new recycled clothing. We have pounamu, bone, and we also have our Hawaiian salts we get from our Hawaiian whanau overseas, and our jewellery, and just and that's our kaupapa e te whanau. So yeah, we just try and support our Maori whanau, and you know, give help where we can, where we can, and just go from there. So
yeah, and it's all with the whenua too, you know, it's all added Maori, eh, Matua?
I took it there.
Hey, Matua, quick pātai, your whakaaro on te riti, if there was any, or not as deep as it sounds, you know, they aren't quite sure what today is, you know, our rangatahi, more particular our rangatahi. If they were to come and go, hey Matua, what's Waitangi? What would be something that you would just be able to share something, just a little bit of insight for them?
It's something our ancestors tried to put in place for the better of their tamariki, their mokopuna, and the futures to come. At the site, we're fortunate that they were able to put that into place for us, because we were able to stand and fight and hold on to, even though we've lost so much, we'll still be able to hold on to something. Whereas if you look at other countries that don't have treaties, bro, compared to other countries, we're fortunate. We're lucky.
And they see that also.
And all the other countries, our Australian whānau, our whānau in American Indians, the Red Indians, our Hawaiian whānau, you know, they all see everything.
They're quite mohi oi.
Oh, tika, bro. And they look at te iwi Māori, and they look at us, you know, almost like they look at where we are, and they take guidance
would love to implement that
exactly
same,
kohanga reo, you know, all those things, you know, kura reo and everything, and they try to implement all those things. So we're lucky that our ancestors have tried to put in place the treaty, so that our generations could learn and could move forward with our culture. So it keeps our culture alive, basically. Keeps our culture alive, e hoa.
Keeping that, revitalising it, living it every day, whānau is what it is.
Yes,
it's not just a day. It's an implementary of everyday thing. It's a lifestyle.
Ai, tika te ra.
Oh, kia ora matua.
Kia ora.
Good to get inside of your you know, your mātauranga that you got there,
Oh, hika.
Mauri Ora.
Mauri Ora whanau.
Yeah, so that was Matua Hone. We met him in, on Te Ra Tua Tahi in Kaupapa with his beautiful wife. Yeah, and they help out with the bro jandals and they got a lot of merch and all that stuff, but they, as he said, you know, it's all about the rangatahi and giving back and revitalising. But check out all these beautiful merches that's everywhere, man. Just beautiful, all the gears, all the beautiful creations that the our beautiful Atua and Kaitiaki have made, our beautiful Mareikura. Look, mate. And it's all just natural resources, baby. You know, majority anyway, majority whanau. But yeah, this is what I was talking about. This is what I was talking about coming down to the lower ground and getting the, yeah, it's the vibes, baby. We wavy, baby. Kia o my Shaded Atua. It's been a beautiful, beautiful day. I'm going to be pono with you. No cap, it's been a powerful, draining day. Really powerful day. Tino wera, engari, Aotearoa. So many beautiful, beautiful Mareikura, creative Atua, you know, talented Kaitiaki out there. So many beautiful people among us, and just like to share their stories and their whakaaro on a few things about this kaupapa here. But you know, I love this whole chasing kaupapa and doing this whole shade of whakaahua, you know what I mean? So apopo's going to be a really busy day. Bebe is actually like, I don't know if you can see that way at the back there, those flags where my thumb is, the bridge. She's like back there, bringing the car. So we're just waiting over here. And yeah, we're going to close it off for today, my whānau, because yeah, everything's about to close down. They got movie nights every 9 o'clock for the kids, which is beautiful. Cousin, yeah, the cousin just said that they got a big hakari on for tonight. So yeah, don't forget to appreciate all the kaimahi around here, my whānau, you know. Their mahi doesn't go unnoticed. You see how busy they are? The Māori wardens, the traffic people, in this hot day.
Overalls and all.
Overalls and all, man. You gotta appreciate them, you know what I mean? But that's us for the day, my whānau. My Shaded Atua, you know our kaupapa. Keep feeding your Wairua.
Not your ego.
Not your ego, baby. Hey.
Run it up straight, yeah, run it up straight, yeah.